This video shows you how to edit or individualize a predefined template. We'll also show you how to set up a completely new, patient-specific training template. We'll demonstrate how to individualize a RehaMove Leg training template. Also, we'll show you how to create a new, patient-specific RehaMove Leg training template. First, select the patient and press the Next button. In the Profile window, you can see the current training profiles of your selected patient. If you want to set up a new patient-specific training template, press the button for New Profile. In this example, we chose the RehaMove Leg training in constant mode. We're now in the channel configuration window, where we can choose between unilateral and bilateral templates. Press your choice, which will be marked green. Our first example shows a unilateral stimulation of quadriceps and biceps femoris for the left leg. If you want to adapt this template, please press the third button on the left for Individual. The screen shows no selected muscles for the right or yellow side. That's because we've chosen a left side leg template. When you press the Next button, you'll see the activated muscles for the left side. Here we see the quadriceps and biceps femoris for our left side leg template. Using the corresponding button, you're able to select another muscle for this channel. Please turn the knob to select and press the knob to confirm your choice. If you want to return to the predefined muscle for this channel, press the corresponding button for this channel and the predefined muscle remains the same. Please note that only leg muscles are selectable if you want to individualize a RehaMove Leg training template. Now, you can change the angles that the muscles are activated during RehaMove Leg training. Press the Angles button. You can adjust the angles for each channel that a muscle is activated. In our video, the quadriceps are active between 220 and 360 degrees. You can adjust these values by turning the knob and confirm your entry by pressing it. The biceps femoris is active for rotation from 45 degrees to 180 degrees. If you want to restore the default setting for your selected muscles, press the Default Angles button and confirm with either yes or no. Now, we'll go back to the channel configuration to show you how to individualize a bilateral leg training template. So press the button for bilateral. Make sure that your selection is marked in green. Then press the Individual button. The next window will show the predefined and active muscles from the template. Here you can also change the muscles related to the channels and the angles through which they are active. If you press Next, you will go to the current test, and then to the beginning of your training session. Now that we've demonstrated how to individualize predefined templates, we want to demonstrate how to create a completely new and patient-specific template. So go back to the window for channel configuration, where you are asked to choose Adaptive or Constant mode, and select your decision. This step is required because otherwise you will have the active muscles from your last choice in your muscle activation setup. We want to create a completely new and individual RehaMove Leg training program in constant mode. So we press the button for Constant mode again. This time, we do not select a unilateral or bilateral template. We press the individual button and are taken directly to the muscle activation window. This will ensure that no muscles from predefined templates are active, and we will have an unrestricted choice. Now we can choose one of the selectable muscles. If you want to stimulate a different muscle, please choose IND1 for individual muscle 1. Now, it is very important to define the angles. Otherwise, the default angles are set from 0 to 0 for each channel and muscle, and that will lead to a training session without stimulation. Please adjust the angles by turning the knob and confirm your entries by pressing it. If you have chosen one of the selectable muscles and not an individual 1 to 8 channel muscle, then you'll have the opportunity to use the default angles of the RehaMove Leg training for each muscle. After the last entry, you'll go to the parameter template window. You can choose one of the predefined templates or create a completely new patient-specific parameter template. Here we have chosen Others, then Individual. We're able to adapt this template by pressing the corresponding button for each parameter. We can now press the Next button and go through to the current test. We perform the current test very carefully. Select the channel and its related muscle by pressing the corresponding button. Turn the knob to adjust the current, and confirm your entry by pressing it. Do the same for all of your selected channels and related muscles. Then we name our template Strength from our predefined names. After pressing Save, you will see an overview of your profile. You can now see your selected channels and related muscles with the corresponding parameters of frequency, pulse width, ramp, warm-up, stimulation and cool-down time. We can start the individual RehaMove Leg therapy session or training by pressing the corresponding button.